What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Hello and welcome back to Sugar Fingers. Y'all, I am super excited to share with y'all a purchase that I made from Amazon. Listen, if this is your first time hanging out on Sugar Fingers, hey, how you doing? Go ahead and give your girl that big old surprise that I've been waiting for from you, and that's hitting that subscribe button and becoming one of my sugar sweets right here on the channel. I'll be so elated. If you want to know when I upload, the best thing you can do is hit that post notification bell and tap the top one which says all, and that way you'll be one of the first to know when I upload here. So today, y'all, without further ado, you saw the title and you already know that I have a new nail drill. Just a little backstory. My daughter and I shared a beauty room here in the house, and well, she's escalated to her own glam room, and she has her own channel, and that is Maddie's Glam Life. So y'all go check her out on her channel. And beautiful babes, guess what? I will be doing my own nails most of the time and showing you how to do it yourself right at home, which is so critical at this time. So in order to help me do that, since she had her nail drill, I needed a nail drill, and bam, your girl got her own drill. I may need to turn this other light out so y'all can actually see. Let me do that. Yeah, so this can be seen. What I have here is, again, the MelodySusie 30,000 RPM professional nail drill. It has high speed, low noise, low vibration, portable, electric, e-file drill for shaping, buffing, removing acrylic nails, gel nails, etc., etc. So this is the box right here. Like I said, I saved it so I can do it right here on camera. I got it yesterday, and so you're not far behind. Believe me, I got y'all. I'm not gonna let y'all miss out on none of this goodness over here, not on Sugar Fingers. So MelodySusie, bring your beauty salon home. That's what we're doing, MelodySusie. Again, Amazon Prime purchase. And this cost me $59.99, y'all. So it's not cheap, but it's reasonable, okay? That's a reasonable price for a nail drill because this will last you for a while, okay? So let's go ahead and unbox this beautiful babe right now. And here she is. So it comes with the user manual here, which that's great. Always need that. And again, a little thank you card here. So that's great. Thank you and thank you. And we also have a 20% off coupon, which is awesome. So they also sell, they go along with this drill, other nail bits that you can get. So nail drill accessories, and here's a coupon code of 20%. I'm going to keep that because I'm sure I'll be purchasing more and more stuff as it goes along. So what do we get in here? So it does come with these sanding bands here. Nice group of them. I'm not sure how many. It doesn't say, and it doesn't look like it's 100, but I'm not sure. It may be 100 in there. I'm not sure. But there you go. There you'll get 6 drill bits along with 6 more sanding bands in here in this little case, which is so great. I love that. And here is the power supply, the actual cord here. I just want to see how long this stretches out, even though everything for me as far as plugs is very convenient. I don't have to stretch far, but for those of you who have to extend it from one end to the other, I just want to see how long does it extend out here. So yeah, we're looking at about 1, 2, 3, 4, I guess about 5 feet of cord, which is really good. That's really good. I'm thinking for the most part 5 feet is wonderful. Okay, We're going to trudge over here on this side. Wow, what could this be? Oh, this is the actual drill. Oh, I love that. So I'm just going to dig out the actual foot pedal. So if you're not one to actually prefer to use the hand piece and just use the controls on the actual drill, then you can also use the foot pedal. I may attempt to do this time around. I really didn't do it with the other one because we really didn't have that extra space that was needed. So I may actually do the foot pedal this time around. So this is it, and it looks like it has a good length of a cord on it as well. So now let's pull out the actual drill. Ooh, it's beautiful and pretty weighty. And here she is. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my goodness. And y'all excuse me, I'm not skilled at recording nail videos and tutorials, so sometimes things may be a little bit upside down. So mind you, I don't mean that. Okay, so this is the part where you twist to remove the drill bit set. So that's how you do that, and pop it back in like so. Wow, this is beautiful. She is beautiful. There she is. And nice cord. It feels so good. It's not stiff, so that's wonderful when you're working. And that's where you plug it into the drill itself. And I know y'all are anxiously awaiting this drill to come out of this box. All right, box, I guess I can toss you. There's nothing else to you, except that's super cute. I might keep that. I don't know why, but I want to. Silly me. And here is the motor to everything. This is her. And again, it goes all the way up to 30 RPMs. Your off and on button. This is the dial here. On the back side, you have the power plug here. You have the drill motor plug-in here. You have the foot pedal plug-in here. And you have the forward or reverse here, which is, you know, sometimes when you're doing left or right hand, you have to reverse. It depends on that. And what's so cool about it, you do have 6 slots to actually put in your drill bits here. So that is super convenient. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave mine on there or not, because I'm actually going to order from them their ceramics, which I love so well. So these just slip right in here, which is so convenient. But I will more than likely put my most favorite drill bits in here. So that would work out beautifully. And let's just see what she looks like when I plug her in. That's the drill. Okay, that's in there. And the actual drill actually fits in this little slot here. So that's extra convenient. Okay, it doesn't have a little separate stand like some of the ones do. You just pop it right in there. So I'm excited about that. And I want to go ahead, I don't know why I'm taking that out. I guess I'm afraid that it may come on or something. I don't know. All right, so I'm going to plug it up. So it just plugs in back here. Make sure this is off. Okay, I guess that's how you do that. All right. All right, so I have it plugged in, and this is the off and on switch. So we're good with that. Y'all saw me turn that on, and here we go. All right, y'all, I thought I had gotten a faulty drill at first because it wouldn't come on. But listen, when you're using this drill, you have to have it all lined up, and I just plugged it in any kind of old way. There are arrows on here that I needed to make sure that they are meeting up. So that was that. So I ended up plugging in the foot pedal. So now, right now, I have it on with the foot pedal in usage. Let's see. If I unplug it, then you literally have to just turn it off like so. Okay, so that's why I am prompted to do, keep that running. I'm prompted to do the foot pedal because when you press down, it turns it off. So this is on, and this is while stopping it, that's off. And again, we'll just turn it off from here, and we can place it right into the little slot securing it. I think I love this one most of all. For sure, for sure. She is so small, so dainty, so cute, and I love it. So this is the MelodySusie Scarlet nail drill. It is a high quality nail drill. I heard so much about it when I'm looking at nail videos on YouTube. Everyone talked about it. It comes with the foot pedal, and it's in 30,000 RPM. That it says allows you to bring your beauty salon home and do your own manicures. So I love it. It's so cute. It is a corded model. Okay, so using this, and the reason why do people use e-files, which they call these e-files, electric files, is because they work so well when you're fixing like your cracks in your acrylics, removing lifted acrylics, filing nails before applying gel or acrylic nails, buffing your nails, and fixing cuticles, and even smoothing calluses or hardened skin on your hands or feet. So listen, this has multi-uses to it, and that's why it's so important that if you're going to do your nails at home, hey, why not make the investment in this? That's better than paying the 60 and 70 and 80 and hundreds of dollars going to the nail salon. You can do this. I know you can. And I love it that, you know, it's even the handpiece here. It's heavy in a sense, meaning that it's sturdy, but it's lightweight enough that your hand won't get cramped or anything like that. It's made from aluminum alloy material with this unique metallic finish. I love that. See how that is right there, and it again has the name of MelodySusie written on there. And it just breaks out for you when you're using in regards to the RPMs, which I know most of us really don't care about RPMs, but it just talks about up to 15,000 RPMs allows you to use on natural nails. When you're filing on natural nails, you should go no farther than 15,000. Now 15,000 to 25,000, which is here, allows you to use it for acrylic nails and natural nails. Now when you get really good, 25,000 to 30,000 allows you to do the more professional nail artwork. So, okay, there you go with that. And again, I did mention she has the foot pedal, and it comes with also the sanding bands. And I'll just take this drill bit off of here, just as easy as that. Put it back in here, have my little case, which is here, pop everything back in there, and again with the instruction manual and coupon code, which I'm going to use because your girl always needs some new nail stuff. So this is everything right here, and I do love it. Okay, beautiful product. And I think I covered everything regarding it. If I did not, if you have any questions, let me know. And this is it, my beautiful babes, my sugar sweets. I don't know what to call y'all right now. Everything is so new, but this is it in all of its wonder. All right, beautiful babes. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Thanks so much for popping in here on Sugar Fingers. Listen, more videos coming. And as soon as I get all of my equipment and everything, we'll be doing lots and lots and lots of nails. Right now, I am just in the process of restocking. Stay tuned here as well. I will be doing an actual beauty room tour again, since everybody's all moved out except me. So I am an empty beauty room nester. Okay, so I will share that with y'all as well and go and show you what's actually in my little nail work area. I'm out of here. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, drop a comment if you have any further questions about the nail drill or any questions upcoming, or if you want to let us know exactly what kind of nails you want your girl to attempt to do. And I did say attempt to do. And also, if you have not subscribed, do that now. Hit the post notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. And remember, keep those hands looking gorgeous. Bye.